Okay, that's enough. Greetings, ladies and gentlemen. Mr. Darktails here, and today, here is my thoughts about Luna's Hell and why am I not posting videos that much. Well, because I might be live streaming very soon, and again, I it, I just really want to get the stuff going through here and there, but not gonna lie to you, um, Destiny 2 Forsaken is, wow, I can't believe I'm saying this, but really farmable. But it'll take you like maybe weeks or maybe 2 weeks at the max if you're really going for the quest for Lewis Howl and not forgotten. And the reason why I'm not talking about um, the videos that I'm working on is because, not gonna lie to you, for countless hours, weeks, months, I've been trying to get through a lot of those quests for Destiny 2 Forsaken, and I've been playing that game since the game uh, came out. And it's been about a year, 6 months, and 2 weeks of. What the heck was that? Anyways, before I got interrupted, I've been playing a year, 6 months, and for about 2 weeks later, right before I got Luna's Howl, and oh my goodness, it's driving me nuts like crazy. Even though I encounter a lot of a lot of players who like to teabag, trolled, including violation. There are some, but I can count for that for, Destiny bullies. And furthermore, again, it's I know everyone wants it, like in the game for Destiny 2 Forsaken. And oh my goodness, it's been that long really. Like I know I been trying to get to my videos, but the game that I was playing, Destiny 2 Forsaken, is really getting into me. And right now it feels like I want to get this stuff done before things uh will get hasty. But right now at this moment, I'm doing my list a lot my for my college and stuff, but mostly my supplies. And I just really want to get this through. So I know I've been ignoring you guys ever since I started playing the game, and I really want to put more time on my hands, not on the game, but on my videos. And yeah, I think that's really it because my thoughts about them is how and not forgotten is, well, let me show you. Not forgotten hand cannon, which you can see the stats at the right bottom below. You can see the stats are very good, and the masterwork has a lot of range, really good range, but still is still a twin of Luna's Hell, but different stats. And here is number two is Luna's Hell, with different stats but very good speed, good impact, less range, good stability, less handling, and mostly reload speed. That I got this, I think it was 2, 3 months ago. I think, not too sure. So I think that is all for today that I can tell you because right now I'm working on an episode, and right now I'm trying to get a lot of stuff done, including YouTube hours, for uploading my videos, and I really mostly want to upload more videos for you guys so that I can get more occupied for myself. And yeah, I think that is really all, really. Anyways, if you enjoy the video, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe for today. And if we can hit 10 or 15 likes for this video, please please share and support my channel, because right now I'm currently working on a lot of stuff right now. So yeah, I'll see you guys later. Mr. DuckTales is out of here.